Hey, what is it, guys? It's your boy Nuke. Oh, wrong tab. And welcome back to a brand new Roblox video. And yeah, I'm just price 1,000. I'm just doing something kind of important. I just finished something. Yeah, if you go to my group, 41 members. Wow, thanks. We now have merch. Yes, very good investments here. We have the Sus donation. You can buy this for 10 Robux. The official Shark Squad t-shirt. This is like an actual thing. We have a huge donation of 100 Robux. Then we have the emergency meeting for 1,000 Robux. Or I should actually like switch out the names. I should like name huge donation like man face, and emergency meeting can be that. But what I needed guys to do is to buy the official Shark Squad t-shirt, because this is now on sale for a limited time. Or I mean, like, this will probably be the original one, so maybe not, but like we'll have a bunch of limited time shirts as well, bro. Or like, I can't make shirts, okay? I'll have a shirt coming really soon because my friend is working on one. But we have the Sus donation for a limited time. It's going off sale in a little while, so this will become a little rare. So buy this t-shirt. You won't be able to get it again. The Sus donation by my group. Yeah, please get it. I'm basically just doing this because I want to buy a small limited, and I wasted my Robux on that Demogorgon costume. But yeah, Sus donation, limited time. Anyways. So basically, yeah, also, the huge donation emergency meeting might go away. I mean, I might, like, keep, like, this thingy because I want people to donate. I want to see if someone actually donates this. But yeah, this one may go off sale, but this one is definitely going to go off sale in a little bit of time, and I actually have the power to do that. All I have to do is click on this shirt, click on this, and then I can go configure, and I can go to like sales. I can place this off sale. See, I can like do that, and I can click save. Okay, and you want me to do that? Probably not. Yeah. It's obviously horror. Yeah, you can like write comments for this and stuff. So yeah, please buy my merch. Also, what the heck is this? Yeah, I can create or manage group items. Yeah, because these, some of these are a limited time. We'll have some new shirts coming out probably. Maybe an actual shirt besides a t-shirt. But, let me show you guys what these things look like. If we go to t-shirts, yes, I obviously look very beautiful. Let's see. Yes, we have the Sus donation. If you buy this, this is what it will look like on your avatar. So if you just want a Sussy Among Us person on your avatar, if you're doing like Sussy Mungus or something, that's the thing for you. If you want to buy a huge donation for 100 Robux, this is what it will look like. It's basically just the man face. So if you want the man face, it's kind of like head stack if you think about it. Like, take the Despacito spider and the man face shirt, like the huge donation, because I obviously get all these for free. Oh yeah, and we might get some new shirts coming soon, because we have Felipe, and then we have blue emergency meeting person. Because yellow is already a thing. You can buy it right now. It's the 1,000 Robux. It's going to probably be 2,000 Robux for no reason at all. And yeah, we have the official Shark Squad t-shirt. Yes, this will support me like a lot, because like this is like an actual like shirt. It's just the logo of my group that I found off the internet. Please, if you made this photo, don't ban me or something like that. Imagine it's like the creator of Roblox and just made that item. I mean, like, just made the photo in, like, Photoshop or something, and then like, I just used it. I should also, like, use this. But yeah, gives me good ideas for shirts or t-shirts, because I could probably make them pretty easily. So yeah, but yeah, you can buy this. Wait, but let me make it clear quickly. Hold on. Let me go back to this. Let me go back to the sus donation or whatever. Yes. No. Emergency me. Fine. I'll just do it the long way. My dog just died. Or no, he just ran down the stairs really fast. Yeah, but I'm going to make a sign that says limited time, just so you guys can know that it's a limited time, just in case you can't see this video. Let me go store. Let me go here. I'll configure this item. Yes, I own this. I get this for free. 0 sales. Well, I mean, you guys never got a chance to buy it except for 20 seconds ago. Let me go. Not sure that's how you spell limited, but limited time sus donation. Save, and yes, E. Yeah, so if you want to buy this limited time sus donation, buy it in the group, please. Yes, the limited time sus donation. Yes, so please buy all of these if you can. Well, you don't need to buy this, but I encourage you to buy this one. This one is actually a good investment because it supports my group. Plus, it's a reasonable price. 5 Robux. That's barely anything. I have 300. I could buy like 100 of these, or almost, but like. Yeah, and the huge donation in these are just kind of overpriced. You don't have to buy them. I'll just make like a 1 million Robux donation. I'll make like that, like the blue emergency meeting one, yeah. But also, if you like, if you're in like some of my videos and I get to know you, you can get like rank ups and stuff. Because there's like non-ranked, there's fish, there's descriptions for all these. It's fat fish, there's shark, there's sharker, and then my like dev team that helps me with my Roblox games and stuff like that. Like, you know, I might make another game right here. I probably should have done that for shotgun, but yeah. Anyways, also, there's a new shotgun live event. Right here, black hole shotgun. You see? Bam. Also, like the game. I should just make merch for it. Yeah, you make a merch store. Oh, right. Yeah, but anyways, that was the video. I was just showing you guys that I have merch now. Please go buy it. Yeah, that's all. Bye.